we are back with a brand new video as always.
And as you can already tell by the title and the thumbnail, this is the Halloween makeup challenge.
Yeah, it's going to be very much fun and a little of spooky. I guess so. I don't know.
Yeah, so we have never tried Halloween makeup before
In our lives, and if you are imagining why this background has changed,
because we are in her house and it is
my
her
room. Yeah. So that's why. So without wasting time, let's get into the
video. So I'm gonna go first, and I have nothing on my skin right now, and I have a clown sort of a look in my mind. For that I have Fevicol, and I'm just gonna apply it something like this. You know that wide smile? Can you see it? Yeah, something like this. So I will now apply several layers of it and wait for it to dry, and I will BRB. Okay, so this glue has finally dried. It looks very funny right now. I don't know how to convert it into spooky. So our Twinkle doesn't have anything else to cut this glue, so I'm using a rounder.
I have, but she doesn't like to use it. I said to use a mota scissor, but she denied.
I asked for a paper cutter or something.
I don't have a paper cutter.
Yeah, that's what I said. And if you're doing this, then please be very, very, very careful. Okay. Now I'm gonna use a little paint. So I will just mix some red and black to create a blood color. I'm gonna do everything at the back side of my hand. I know it looks very dark now because most of it is black, but I will fix it. Sorry, the camera died again, so I didn't do anything. Just colored everything with the black and a little bit of red, and now use the red color to color most of the parts. I was saying that only, I also applied glue on my lips because I just wanted my lips to look what do you say that, chapped. Yeah, I have a feeling that it will turn out good.
She's looking like a vampire.
Oh yeah, but I want to look like a clown. Okay. Our brother just came in and saw us like this and then went. Oh, this looks good. And whoa, I'm quite impressed. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the black paint again, but this time to color the corners. Why am I not using the mirror?
Because you're a fool.
My motto in life, my current motto in life is to turn this makeup better than Twinkle's makeup. It's good to me. Please don't judge if you don't like it. I need a bit more black, and I think I'll be done with the lips, which is the main part.
Spooky.
Spooky. Alright, please ignore the background noises if you can hear them. So now let's jump into the eyes, and for that first I'm gonna cover my eyes with concealer. So I have my concealer and I'm just gonna conceal my eyes. By the way, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. I'm using a lighter shade because I want my eyeshadow to pop. So yeah, and I'm just gonna grab my kajal and just fill it in. Black. all over my eyes. So there is no technique or anything. As you already heard, we are not makeup artists. So even if there is, we don't know it for obvious reasons. Oh. This is my favorite part basically. Oh my god, this looks good! Didn't expect it. And now I'm just gonna do a little wound over here because that will look cool. Just gonna use a little bit of lipstick. This looks good. So yeah, I think I won't do anything else because otherwise it will look too like overcrowded. Because I did a little bit of bleeding here, so decided to go for a wound. Not good in painting either. Sometimes I wish we had Halloween.
I said them the same dialogue.
Yeah, like it's very fun. You know. Oh my god, why am I smiling like that?
Show me your makeup, I can see. Oh, it's quite nice.
I know, right? Didn't expect. So that's my makeup, guys. Hopefully you like it. Now jump over to Twinkle's makeup.
So guys, this is my turn and I'm going to try a devilish kind of Halloween look. A little different from Sneha, obviously, because we are trying different looks. So without wasting time, let's get started. So all I need is just a red lipstick. That red lipstick is the base for my makeup. Otherwise there is no such need of any other thing. I don't think so. We need something else. But let's see if we'll need. You can see that. Okay. So I'll take my makeup brush and the red lipstick. The most dangerous red lipstick if you have seen our last videos. And I will apply it on my eyelids and my under eye. And just blend it. I have kept it a little uneven so that it will give a little bloodish kind of look, which is the most important part of this makeup. So yeah, let's try it. The other eye too. Okay, this eye. Oh god, I can't imagine how will I look. It's quite hard to blend the liquid lipstick as it gets dried a little quick. But I'm not stressed because Halloween makeup look has to be imperfect to give a little devilish look. Like ghosts don't do makeup. Oh god, that ghosting effect, can you see? My light is just, oh my god. Okay, I'm just doing this like this so that it'll give a, you know, messy effect to my look. Oh my god, I look really spooky. Okay. This has to be the... Ooh guys, just look at this. Now next I will be trying making two thorns like here and here. So let's try that. I'll not use this time the lipstick because it's very hard to blend. So I have decided to use the red color from my acrylic paint set. So it'll be easier to blend, and I am a good artist, I think so. So I can do that. Where is the red color though? Yeah, it's here. I'll be making two thorns. I mean horns, whatever they're called. So yeah, the red color I have taken. To give a little blood kind of thing, you can also mix a little black thing here. I'll show you that when I'll do my lips, but now it's not required. So sorry guys, actually the camera died in between. So in my look I have just done one side of the horn, which I was about to do, the devil horn. So I have just filled it up properly. Now this side I'll do. Well, the same thing. I don't know how it turned out because two same things. It's a little hard to draw. Yeah, I guess it's correct. But I can go right. Font has to be a little sharp. Yeah, so my thorns and my eye part is totally done. Now let's get to the next part, that is the tears part. I'm going to draw tears of I'm going to cry tears of blood. So let's do it. For this, I will be using a little black color with the red because it will give a better effect to it. I think so, but I don't know. If you like it, you can use it. Otherwise, you can totally skip. It's your choice. I'll just draw 3 lines as I've drawn here. No, I think so. I should do.
It actually looks quite good.
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, see, this side of the eye is done. Haha! I'm already a Diane, and after that also I'm doing these makeups. Lips part. I'll just use this color which I use for my in the inner part of the lips, like here, like this part. This part. Like my lips are very thin. Okay, so I'm just putting it a little over to make them thick. And guys, this time, this is the first time I'm trying this. So if there is some mistake and if you don't like it, then please don't judge it. I think Sneha has also tried it before.
No, I haven't.
No, she hasn't. So guys, this is both of us our first time Halloween. Now I'll use a little black thing here. You can totally use eyeliner, or totally you can use makeup products. I'm using paint, because all of the makeup products now I don't have here with me. It's at my uncle's place, that is my mamu ghar. I have left some of them there. You can use to do this part of the like black thing, you can use the eyeliner or the kajal. I'm done. So this was my Halloween makeup which I tried to make, which I tried to show, and I am really quite impressed with this look. Like I really look like a chudel. I don't know. I just loved it. Do you like it?
So now enjoy the little montage. So that's it for today, guys.
Yeah, and one thing I have to tell you guys, that I have added some details to my makeup. Actually that time there was a little problem with camera's space, so we had to fix it. So I had to do this behind the scene. So just see, I have just added some, you know, shade.
Kajal.
Yeah, kajal. Just blended it with the red lipstick which I put here also, and here a little, you know, if like someone has punched me on my face like that. And under my eye also I have put a little kajal. That has completed my look. So that was my total complete look.
And I didn't do anything.
Yeah, she didn't change because she that time the cameras all were fixed and she could do so.
Yeah.
So without wasting time, what I'm saying, okay, if you enjoyed the video,
Like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to never miss another update from Shinetics.
yes, and do follow us on Instagram, that is at the rate Shine Like Shinetics,
Janvi the Great,
and Priyankita. Yes, so
And
also comment down below whose look you like the most. Yeah, comment down, otherwise I will eat you. I will come to your home and eat you up. Okay, comment down below whose look you like the most.
Yeah, so we will see you super soon.
And comment down the video ideas also. Love you.